Honda is gearing up for an exciting showcase at the 2024 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, where the brand will reveal a selection of high-performance prototypes alongside its newly launched division, Honda Performance Parts, HPP. This initiative is intended to offer a specialized line of factory-backed performance enhancements for enthusiasts who want to upgrade their Honda vehicles with OEM-quality parts developed directly from Honda's motorsport technologies. Among the anticipated highlights are performance-ready versions of Honda's popular models, including prototype CR-Vs and Civic Type R versions designed to showcase Honda's potential in both street and track settings. HPP, created with input from Honda's racing teams, aims to bring a line of functional, track-tested components that promise high reliability and seamless integration with existing models. These parts are developed with the everyday driver in mind, allowing for quality upgrades without compromising on Honda's engineering standards. SEMA attendees will also get to explore custom builds and concept vehicles that embody Honda's vision for the future of automotive performance. Additionally, visitors will have the chance to interact with the HPP team and see firsthand the performance parts that could soon be available at dealerships, ranging from engine enhancements to suspension and aesthetic upgrades. This strategic move into aftermarket parts aligns Honda with an expanding market of enthusiasts seeking both performance and reliability in their modifications. By stepping into this arena, Honda joins other major manufacturers in offering factory-approved customization options, making it easier for drivers to enhance their cars with confidence and durability.